Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to change Apple ID settings. Make sure you know your Apple ID and password and that your iPhone is unlocked and on Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top right away. This enters your Apple ID panel. If prompted, approve on a trusted device or enter the verification code. This proves it's you and prevents lockout. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is available for quick use. Now you're in the right place to edit account details. You can now edit who sees what and secure the account. Tap name, phone numbers, email to update primary contact and recovery addresses. This keeps account recovery reliable. Next, go to Password and Security to change your password or manage two-factor authentication. Do this if anything seems compromised. Then review iCloud, apps using Apple ID, and subscriptions to control what syncs and what charges your payment method. Take it step by step, so changes propagate correctly to your other devices and services. Finish by reviewing your edits. Confirm email addresses, payment methods, and security settings, then sign out of any old devices if you're selling or replacing hardware. Once done, restart your iPhone so settings apply cleanly, and verify changes on a trusted device or iCloud. If something goes wrong, like you can't sign in, start account recovery, or reset the password. Additionally, check Apple system status and update iOS. This single troubleshooting step, resetting the password via account recovery, resolves most lockout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.